Hello, I'm going to walk you through creating a Google Doc, a new Google Doc. As you can see, we are on Google's homepage. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to come over here to the waffle and we're going to click on the waffle. From this page in this drop-down menu that you see that you have the choice. You could just select a Google Doc from here. I'm going to walk you through creating one through Google Drive. So click on Google Drive. And we've moved over to the left-hand side of the page now, where you see this button that says New. We're going to click on the button that says New, go down from this drop-down menu, and find where it says Google Doc. We'll click on the Google Docs, and it will open up a new Google Doc in a new window. It says up here, Untitled Document. We need to title this document so that we know what it is that we are finding later. For your teacher, please list it with your last name, then your first name, and then give it a title so that we know what it is that you are sharing with us, because that's the next step. You're going to share this document with your teacher so that we can find it later. It makes it easier for your teacher knowing your last name to have it there and what they're looking for. You're going to click on this blue Share button, and that's going to pop open another window. In that blue Share in that window, you're going to put in your teacher's email address. So now that you have found your teacher and their email address and you have it in the people that you're going to share it with, go ahead and click the blue Send button, and that document is shared with your teacher so that they now have access to what you're working on. Thank you.